If you need to reset your two-factor authentication on Uber, follow these simple steps to regain access and secure your account. Step 1. Open the Uber app. Launch the Uber app on your mobile device and ensure you are connected to the internet. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the menu icon in the top left corner of the screen, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Access Security Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the Security option and tap on it to access your security settings. Step 4. Choose Two-Factor Authentication. Find the Two-Factor Authentication option and select it. You will see options to manage or reset your authentication method. Step 5. Follow the reset instructions. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset your two-factor authentication. This may involve verifying your identity through email or SMS. Once you have completed these steps, your two-factor authentication will be reset and you can set it up again as needed. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Uber support for further assistance.